What is going on today, guys? We are back here at Empire Auto Works, and if you guys guessed it right, unfortunately, we do have a misfire in the BMW M2. But guys, that can be solved today with some brand new dynamic coil packs that we have here that we're going to be installing in the M2. So guys, stay tuned and keep watching because we got to change the shit. So we pretty much have everything else removed. We're just going to go ahead, disconnect all the wires, and literally just pull up on them and then just take them out. So guys, we're all done with the new coils. Say goodbye to these shitty ass old coils. No more misfires for now.